Hello kids, welcome back to the class. Happy to see you all. In the last class we learned numbers from 1 to 10 and the number names of 1 to 10 and the concept of 0. And after that we learned the important thing before number, after number, between number. If you didn't see that video, go see that and then learn this video. Then it will be easy for you to understand this one. So in this unit, chapter number 2, numbers up to 20. In this video we are going to learn about tens and ones. Okay, we are going to learn about tens and ones. Before going for tens and ones, we must have some recollect of the numbers we already know. That is up to 1 to 10 we learnt. Now we are going to revise 11 to 20. 11, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So we have finished recall. I hope you know already these numbers from 11 to 12. We learned detailed about in the end. We are getting the small recall for the tens and ones. Now we'll go for tens and ones. Tens and ones. What does mean by tens and ones? When a number have two numbers, okay, only one number will have two numbers together, then we call that as two-digit number. So when a number have two numbers, then we call it as two-digit numbers, and it have place values of tens and ones. So only two-digit number will have the place value of tens and ones. Like 10 to 20, we call it as two-digit number. As of we learned up to 20. So from the numbers 1 to 20, we learned, right? In that 10 to 20 are the two-digit number. See here, for 10, 0, 1, two numbers are there. 20, 0, 2, two numbers are there. 14, 4, 1, two numbers are there. 17, 7, 1, two numbers. 5, 1, 15, two numbers. 6, 1, two numbers. 8, 1, two numbers. So when two numbers are there in a number, then we call that as two-digit number. So as of 0 to 20, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 are two-digit numbers. So for two-digit numbers only, we have tens and ones. So two numbers are there, right? So 19 I have took, one in red color, one in blue color. So I have divided the color to differentiate the place value. So the red color, that is last number, red color 9 is there, right? This is called ones, this is called tens. Two numbers, these two numbers have place value. This is ones, this is tens. Two numbers, last number is ones, the before number is tens. So in this number we have 9 ones, 1 10. 9 ones, 1 10. Okay. So two-digit number, when two numbers are there, we call that as two-digit number. Only two-digit numbers will have the place value of ones and tens. See here 14 is there. That 14, the last number, from right only we have to give the place value. So 4 is there, right? That 4 is ones and 1 is tens. So same like that, 7 ones, 1 10. For 17, 7 ones, 1 10. For 15, 5 ones, 1 tens. For 16, 6 ones, 1 10. Okay? Good. So now we are going to learn the number names from 11 to 15. I hope you are clear with the tens and ones. We'll use the concept in the future. So be clear in that two numbers are there means we call that as two-digit number. Only two-digit number have the place values of ones and tens. So from your right side you have to mark like ones, tens. The last number is ones, the before number is tens. So now we are going to learn the number name of 11 to 15. 11. 1, 1, 11. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. T, W, E, L, V, E. 12. T, W, E, L, V, E. 12. 13. 1, 3. 13. 1, 3. T, H, I, R, T, E, E, N. T, H, I, R, T, E, E, N. 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. F, O, U, R, T, E, E, N. 14. 15. 1, 5, 15. F, I, F, T, E, E, N. 15. F, I, F, T, E, E, N. 15. 1, 1, 11. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. 12. 1, 2, 12. T, W, E, L, V, E. 12. 13. T, H, I, R, T, E, E, N. 13. 14. 1, 4, 14. F, O, U, R, T, E, E, N. 14. 15. 1, 5, 15. F, I, F, T, E, E, N. 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We are finished. We'll continue with the. We are finished with the number names of 11 to 15. Now we'll continue with the 16 to 20. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. S, I, X, T, E, E, N. 16. S, I, X, T, E, E, N. 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. S, E, V, E, N. 7. T, E, E, N. 17. S, E, V, E, N. T, E, E, N. 17. 18. 1, 8, 18. E, I, G, H, T, E, E, N. 18. 1, 8. E, I, G, H, T, E, E, N. 18. 1, 9. 19. N, I, N, E, T, E, E, N. 19. 1, 9. N, I, N, E, T, E, E, N. 19. 20. T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. 16. S, I, X, T, E, E, N. 16. 17. S, E, V, E, N, T, E, E, N. 17. 18. 1, 8, 18. E, I, G, H, T, E, E, N. 18. 1, 9, 19. N, I, N, E, T, E, E, N. 19. N, I, N, E, T, E, E, N. 19. 20. T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. So in this video we learnt about two-digit numbers, where two-digit numbers will have tens and ones. The place value of tens and ones we learnt, and tens and ones will have from 10 to 20. And in this video we also learnt number names of 11 to 20. So write one by one and be clear with the number names. Okay, because whatever we are learning we will use in the future, so don't skip any things. Even it is small one, learn it. Even you already know, do practice again and again, so be clear with that. Okay, we'll see in the next video. Thank you.